In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the design of Squarespace forms. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option does, so your forms look polished, on-brand, and easy to use. First, locate the form on the page you want to update. Open the page in your site editor and scroll to the section that contains your form. Hover over the form until you see a highlight or outline appear. This indicates you're targeting the correct block. If your page has multiple forms, take a quick second to confirm you've selected the right one by glancing at the field labels. Next, click the pencil icon to edit. The pencil or edit button appears when you hover directly over the form block. If you don't see it, make sure you're in editing mode for the page. Clicking this opens the form settings panel, which is where all your design changes will happen. You'll typically see separate areas for content and design. Content manages fields and storage, while we'll be focusing on the look and feel. Now, click on Design. This is where the visual magic happens. The Design section centralizes style controls so you can adjust how fields, labels, and spacing appear without touching code. Think of this as the hub that connects your form's appearance to your site's overall styles. Select Form Style. This setting often provides predefined style presets that control field shape, borders, background, spacing, and text treatments. When you switch styles, watch how the form immediately updates so you can compare options in context. Many templates inherit colors and fonts from your global site styles, so your form naturally stays consistent with the rest of your pages. As you preview styles, pay attention to readability. Make sure label text is clear, placeholder text isn't too faint, and there's enough spacing for comfortable tapping on mobile. Also, check contrast between field backgrounds and text, which improves accessibility and reduces input errors. You can also edit the button style. The Submit button is the form's call to action, so it should stand out while staying on brand. Adjust the style preset for the button to control shape, border radius, and size. Choose a color with strong contrast against the background, and keep the label short and actionable, like send, subscribe, or request quote. If alignment options are available, pick one that balances your layout. Centered often works well for short forms, while left align can feel cleaner on longer ones. Be sure the hover and focus states are noticeable so users know the button is interactive. That's it. Click the form, open the pencil to edit, head to Design, choose a form style, and refine the button style for a clean, accessible finish.